Hi, it's Stephen McDonald here. It's Friday and it's mid-April and we've survived another week going through COVID-19, but I'm actually been struggling with COVID-15 and as I've been running and walking all week and I'm actually feeling pretty smug going into the weekend. So it's been hard work getting back into a higher level of exercise, but I'm starting to get motivated again, which is really good. So I wanted to just share a couple of minutes on some insights as to what's happening in the marketplace. The good news is there's been a slight increase in optimism with people and more views online. So that's really, really good news as we physically see people reaching out in the marketplace. One situation is a property we put on the market last week, and it was a lower end property, non-owner occupied, so a tenant in place, and the seller was looking to sell in the next couple of weeks. So this is what we did in a strategy wise, which worked out really well. We had the home prepped, staged, cleaned, landscaping perfect. We took a virtual tour of the property, then we listed it on a Wednesday with no showings until Friday. So what we did on Friday, we scheduled showings of basically pre-approved buyers who signed a kind of a best practices form, and then we show them in 30-minute increments, and they have buoys, sanitizers, the windows open, etc. So it's a very safe environment. Then Friday night and Saturday morning, all the viewings happened, and we reviewed offers later in the day. We had multiple offers, and we sold about 10% above the list price, which is really good in this climate. So then we had another party do a backup offer just in case there's any issues with the first person's finances, which is kind of safe and smart thing to do in this environment. So that's a kind of a little insight as to what's happening in this climate. Have a wonderful weekend, and if you're interested in more information, please call the McDonald Group for more strategies and insights as to how to navigate this marketplace. And have fun, go for a walk, be healthy, and we'll chat to you sometime next week.